Hi and welcome to the video today. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Bob Cheslinski and I am an elementary band director near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to show you how to use the looping feature that is a part of your Smartmusic software. I've been using Smartmusic since its early days and I've seen it evolve into what it is now. If you use this software effectively, it can help you to increase your skills so much faster than traditional ways. If you have not noticed by now, up on your top for the different sections, tracks, my takes, assessment, a loop, if you click on that loop button, it's going to bring up the looping features. Now there's some certain things that you definitely need to know here. The first thing that you need to know is up here to the left is how we first start setting a loop. By clicking on the set button up here on the left hand side, it opens up our looping feature, and we can grab these and take these wherever we would like. My blue line was at the beginning, so that's where it chose to put the looping feature. I'm going to clear this and show you by moving the blue line over here and clicking set. So I can move that loop throughout the piece wherever I would like it to be. So I'm going to clear that, and we're going to come down and we're going to ask our band members to practice here at 13. And I'm going to set this loop, and I'm actually going to loop just 2 measures. I grab the end and I bring this over, and I would like them to do these 2 measures. I think it's a good idea to use this here. If I click on this, it says use count off between loops. I think that's a good idea because then it's always giving them the ability to be ready for that next run through. Now I'm going to click play, and you're going to see what's going to happen here with our loop. It will play through this, and then it will do a click off, 4 counts, and then it'll do it again. And this will loop as many times as we would like it to. I'll show you what happens if we unclick this. So now we don't have the click-offs in between, and this is what your loop would run if we didn't have the clicks in between. Now I think if you're dealing with a younger student, maybe in the elementary, I think they might need that count off in between. They're not going to be ready enough. An older student, I think I would take this count off in between the loop off. Another neat feature that you can do is right up here, increase the speed of the loop by whatever you want each time they run through. So let's say the kids are having trouble here and we need to take that normal tempo from 70 and we go down to 50. So now our loop is going to run slower, and I'll demonstrate that. But then let's say that I want them to be able to increase their speed by 5 BPM each time we run through this. I'm going to come back and click the beginning of my loop again, otherwise it's going to start in the middle. So you always have to reset that. I'm going to click play, and we're going to see each time through the speed right over here will adjust 5 BPM. And once again, you can come over and click on the use count off between loops. That way you're always set for that beginning part of the loop. So a question that may come up is, can you set multiple looping patterns in the same song so that it would go from one looping pattern to the next? No, you can't. So if I have this loop pattern set here and I come down here to set a new one, it's going to delete the old one and start a new one. So you're practicing different sections at different times. You're not able to go from one loop to the other. Another feature that you can do here is how many beats you want to have in that count off before that loop starts again. So if I come up here and I click only 2 beats and I click play, so you can decide how many beats you would like to have a count off between runs of a loop. Well, I hope you found the content today about using the loop feature in Smartmusic valuable. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe and notification bell. That way you're getting my content as soon as it's released. If you enjoyed the content today, make sure to click on another video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below in the description. Also, there's some links that I put down in the description for more Smartmusic tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.